Most people will not do this, but I'm going to tell those who will, and those who will is probably like 1%. Most people will not start utilizing their phone to make passive income. This is legit and it's blowing up in 2024. And I'm here to tell you exactly how to do it. I'm going to hold your hand through the entire process. And if you purchase my course, you are going to get everything you need so you have your business up and running in a matter of a week, maybe 2 weeks, depending on how many people jump on board. Now, guys, what I do is I recommend other people's products, and I actually recommend a course. And this course is like a business in a box. It's already done for me. The only thing I had to do is go through the course, get educated, apply what I learned, and then I'm turning around and I'm marketing that course. I'm recommending that course, and I'm making passive income. And I'm doing that in 1 to 2 hours a day. And I'm here and I'm shouting through my phone, and I hope this reaches you. I hope you get that you can do this too. I'm just an ordinary person. I'm not anything special. I have no experience, no knowledge, no followers. I'm, even when it came down to the tech, I figured it all out because I took action. This is life changing. Do not miss this. You can recommend other people's products and you're already doing that daily and you're not even getting paid. And I'm sharing this opportunity with you. So now you can recommend something, whether it's a course, a product you love, but as long as it's solving somebody's problem, you can literally make thousands of dollars and change your life so you can quit your 9 to 5. You can do the things that you love to do. You can travel more, pay off debt, go out with your friends and family, and not have to worry about sitting on your couch on Sunday night dreading the Monday morning anymore. Anybody can do this. I'm just curious, what percentage are you going to be in? Are you going to be in the 99 percentile that just scrolls past this video? Or are you going to be the 1% that takes action? So this time next year, you are shouting at the top of your lungs that your life has changed. I'm here. I'm ready for you. If you are ready to do this, comment ready below, and I want to get you up and running in no time flat. Make sure you save this video so you can come back to it. Follow me, smash that heart. Guys, don't sit on this. This is life changing.